Welcome back to learn about countries. Today, we're diving into the heart of Africa to explore Rwanda, a small but mighty nation that will absolutely amaze you. Known as the land of 1,000 hills, Rwanda is a country defined by its breathtaking green landscapes, incredible wildlife, strong national unity, and remarkable progress. It's a place that proves resilience and vision can create a bright future. So, where exactly is Rwanda? Nestled in East Central Africa, this landlocked country shares borders with Uganda to the north, Tanzania to the east, Burundi to the south, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo to the west. Its vibrant capital city is Kigali, a hub of innovation and cleanliness. Rwanda's flag is a beautiful symbol of its identity, with stripes of blue for happiness and peace, yellow for economic development, and green for the hope of prosperity, all under a golden sun representing enlightenment. Rwanda's history is a powerful story of highs and lows. It was once home to ancient kingdoms before being colonized first by Germany and then by Belgium. The nation gained its independence in 1962. A dark chapter followed with the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi, a tragedy that deeply scarred the country. However, what happened next is nothing short of miraculous. Rwanda embarked on an incredible journey of healing, reconciliation, and rebuilding. Today, it stands as one of Africa's safest, cleanest, and fastest-growing economies, serving as a global inspiration for what a united people can achieve. The people and culture of Rwanda are the backbone of its success. While historically composed of three main groups, Hutu, Tutsi, and Twa, the focus today is on a single, shared Rwandan identity. The primary language is Kinyarwanda, which unites everyone, though English, French, and Swahili are also widely spoken. Core values like unity, discipline, and respect are evident everywhere. A fantastic example of this is Umuganda, a mandatory monthly community cleanup where citizens work together to keep their neighborhoods pristine. It's this collective spirit that makes Rwanda so special. Now let's talk about food. Rwandan cuisine is simple, hearty, and delicious. Staples include ugali, a type of maize porridge, along with beans, fresh vegetables, and sweet potatoes. Bananas, both cooked and as fruit, are also a huge part of the diet. For those who enjoy meat, you'll find tasty grilled options, often served on skewers. It's all about fresh, locally sourced ingredients that are both healthy and satisfying. For nature lovers, Rwanda is a paradise. It is one of the few places on Earth where you can see the majestic mountain gorillas in their natural habitat, primarily in Volcanoes National Park. The country is also home to the ancient Nyungwe rainforest, teeming with unique primates and bird species, and the stunning Lake Kivu, with its beautiful shores and crystal-clear waters. Ecotourism is a top priority here, ensuring that this natural beauty is preserved for generations to come. Rwanda's economy and daily life reflect its forward-thinking vision. Key sectors driving its growth are agriculture, especially coffee and tea exports, a booming tourism industry, and a rapidly expanding tech scene. Cities like Kigali are famously clean and safe, partly due to a nationwide ban on plastic bags. This commitment to order and progress makes daily life for many Rwandans peaceful and organized. Sports are a big deal in Rwanda, bringing people together with passion and excitement. Football is the most popular sport, with local clubs drawing enthusiastic crowds. Basketball is also gaining huge popularity, and Rwanda is proud to host major international sporting events, showcasing its modern facilities and excellent hospitality to the world. Let's wrap up with some fun facts. Did you know Rwanda is one of the cleanest countries in Africa? It has one of the highest percentages of women in parliament globally, a testament to its commitment to gender equality. It's also considered incredibly safe for visitors, and its strong sense of national unity is truly inspiring. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to Rwanda. I hope you're as inspired by this incredible country as I am. Don't forget to subscribe to Ehsanullah Jabarkhel, like this video, and follow on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more adventures. We'll be exploring more African countries soon, so stay tuned.